The importance of studying philosophy is multifaceted, deeply influencing both the personal and social development of human beings. Philosophy isn't merely a collection of abstract ideas. It's a culture of thinking that seeks to understand the world, humanity, and the laws governing society. Let's explain this importance through several key dimensions. 1. Development of thinking and critical reasoning. Philosophy teaches us to ask questions, to doubt, to reason. It doesn't encourage blind acceptance of ready-made ideas, but rather analysis, justification, and awareness of contradictions. In this way, philosophy deepens our capacity to think and frees us from unquestioning belief. As Socrates said, only a life that's understood is worth living. 2. Influence on science and worldview. Every science is grounded in a certain philosophical perspective. Physics, biology, sociology, and others develop upon philosophical foundations. Without philosophy, you can't grasp the full picture of science. For instance, dialectical materialism scientifically explains the laws of development in nature and society. 3. Formation of moral and value systems. Philosophy not only teaches us how to think, but also how to live rightly. It helps us to comprehend the notions of good and evil, justice and injustice, conscience and responsibility. For example, Aristotle saw happiness in the harmony of reason and morality. Nizami Ganjavi regarded justice and compassion as the pillars of society. 4. Deep analysis of society and politics. Philosophy clarifies the laws of social development, the principles of a just order, and the meanings of freedom and equality. Marxist philosophy holds a special place in this regard, as it scientifically explains historical and social processes and calls humanity to struggle for social justice. 5. Self-knowledge and spiritual awareness. Philosophy urges individuals to think carefully about their own existence. Who am I? Why do I live? What's the foundation of the world? These are the starting points of the philosophical consciousness. The search for answers to such questions elevates human spirit, leads to inner freedom, and helps you discover life's purpose. Conclusion. Philosophy is the art of understanding oneself, the world, and society. Studying it transforms a person into a thinking being, helps to comprehend the meaning of life, make sound decisions, and take a just position. Without philosophy, science is blind. Without philosophy, society is soulless.